Hey guys, so this is Cubot's upcoming smartphone. It's a mid-range phone called the Cubot X70. The device looks stunning, guys. It looks futuristic. As you can see, it comes in two design options. I think one is called Space Black, while the other is called Tech Black. So eventually, if you decide to, buy this phone, you could choose any one that you want. But both designs look very nice to me. They are very, very great designs. So as for the specs of this phone, yeah, this phone packs decent specs, guys. It is expected to be powered by the Helio G99, which is MediaTek's most efficient 4G processor. The device is also going to utilize 12 GB RAM, and it supports virtual RAM expansion up to 12 gigabytes. That 12 gigabytes will be coming from the phone's internal storage, but that shouldn't be a problem because this phone has a really huge internal storage, 256 GB, guys. And the internal storage could be expanded as well via SD card, I believe up to 1 terabyte. Another great feature of this phone is its main camera. It's said to be a 100 MP face detection autofocus primary camera, guys. Now, how the camera performs depends on many factors. How it has been improved, optimization, and of course the processor. This phone will also boast a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display with a 120 Hertz refresh rate. Impressive in my opinion, very, very impressive, guys. This smartphone is definitely feature packed. It is packed with decent specs. And here it states that the phone would have a 32 MP front camera. Like I mentioned earlier, how the camera performs depends on many options. Do not let these high megapixels deceive you, okay? Don't get hyped up by these high megapixels. So the battery capacity of the device is 5200 mAh. I believe it's going to support fast charging, but it's not stated here. And the device would feature a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. I believe it's a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. And it's going to ship with the latest Android 13, which is great in my opinion. I don't know if this phone will be getting the Android 14, which is coming very soon. But I love the fact that it ships with the current latest version of Android. Now, according to Cubot, this device has a glass finish. So if eventually you own this device, you have to take good care of it. I believe this device would ship with a case, because if this device drops, then of course you know what would happen to the device. So yes, it needs intense care. So this is the Tech Black design, the Tech Black option, and this is the Space Black, as you can see. So the Cubot X70, it is coming very soon. It's going to be launching on the 7th of June, and it's going to be available for a very, very cheap price. So this is what I wanted to share with you guys. I'd like to hear your thoughts about this upcoming mid-range beautiful device from Cubot. So feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.